Hello children, welcome to my channel Learn with Rani Nani. This is a scrapbook made by Rani Nani. Happiness Challenge. Spending time with my family make me feel happy. Eating tasty and healthy food make me feel happy. Painting make me feel happy. Visiting historical places make me feel happy. Keeping my house neat and clean make me feel happy. Plant a tree make me feel happy. Playing with friends make me feel happy. Eating yummy ice cream make me feel happy. Craft make me feel happy. Pray to God make me feel happy. Now you can also make a scrapbook like this. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Please like and comment my channel. Thank you.